Hello, it is me, Nigel Tuckman again, here to help you out with part B of Seagulls' Stop It Now. First thing I want to bring to your attention is the MP3 that can help you play this part great. It is the one that says Duet Part B. Alright, so that is part B. I suggest you download that right away so that you can master this music that you see right here. It will tell you exactly how to play it. Okay, so let's talk about this part right here. I'm not going to worry about any of this from measure 3 to 9 because you're already experts at that. I want to talk about this measure right here because it's got a rhythm you have probably never seen. Here is count 1, here is count 2, and here is count 3. So what you will notice is that you've got these two notes to worry about, and yet there is count 2 right there. It is kind of difficult, yeah? So what you have to do is you have to think of count 2 as the most important count. 1 and 2, ba-dum-da. If you are wondering, it is E and 1 and 2, E and 3. Yeah, so that is how it's played. 1 and 2. And if you notice, there is this little staccato note right here. Yeah, make sure that you do that. Alright, it's really fun to play because it's this weird syncopated sort of thing that gives you all the ghibli and the jublies. Yeah, okay. Then you get down to this part right here. Measure 12 and 13. It looks very complicated, but it is not, because measure 12, let me tell you, is exactly like the melody. Ooh, ha, ooh, 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 ha, ooh, ooh, ha. You just play along with the melody. Then you get to this part. Here is the most important count of the entire measure for you. It is count 4. That is where your toe hits the ground. So you must think 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then right after count 4, you use it as a catapult to get into count 1 right here. 1 and 2 and 3 and... Sorry, I messed that up. Let me do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you just play these notes rather quickly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It is a cool little grace note sort of thing. It is really fun to play. There is a little solo right here in measure 14 for the part B people. The best way to really learn how to play is just to hear it. I'll do it again. 2 and ready. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. This measure is actually very simple except for this part right here that is kind of the jumpy part. Here is count 2 and here is count 3. You have to play all those notes over and over. The best way to do it is to play those notes over and over again. 2, 3, 4, 1. That is the easiest way to play it. Just do that over and over. And then the rest of it is like the stuff you can find in your 6th grade band book. You have been playing it for quite some time, so you shall be able to do it just fine. This is probably the most fun part of part B, FYI, and I don't think part A ever gets it. So if you like that, if you think it sounds hip and jazzy, then you should pick this part right here. But what you can do for right now is you can just go and you can practice. The best way to practice is with the MP3 that I gave you. Second most fun way to practice is with the one that says Seagulls coronavirus version. It is the actual version of the song, so it can be played like this.
There's nothing a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poking my head, not fun. I lady, got me going like. Nothing I could do but
Anyway.
when these birds attack me.
So that is how that song goes, and it will be really fun for you to play like that. Okay, so I hope that you have fun playing it. It will be a blast. Goodbye.